We heard that Tenon fingerprint smart locks undergo a full series of professional tests before launch. Today we step into Tenon laboratory to take an inside look. First up is the electrostatic discharge test. It verifies the lock can function normally when exposed to static electricity. Next is the impact resistance test. It evaluates the lock's impact resistance against a maximum impact force up to 100 joules. The drop test simulates accidental dropping during logistics transit. It ensures no damage occurs to the product. High temperature, low temperature, and damp heat environmental test. It guarantees stable operation of the lock under all climate conditions. Durability test. Only locks that remain fully functional after 200,000 cycle endurance tests will be released to consumers. Salt spray test. This test assesses the product's corrosion resistance. When exposed to salt spray, no corrosion shall appear on the lock's surface and plating layers. We also have a complete set of testing equipment for component inspection, 2D dimensional measurement, mechanical strength, tape rub abrasion, and more. Tenon is committed to delivering premium quality smart locks. We serve users all over the world.